Hi, I'm Dr. William J. Hicks, and I'm here to address some frequently asked questions about cancer.
Is it true that African Americans die of all kinds of cancer more than any other race?
Unfortunately, African Americans have the highest mortality rate of any racial and ethnic group in the United States, for all cancers combined and for most cancers of the major types. But the good news is that cancer mortality has indeed decreased over the last 10 or so years, but continues to increase in relative terms. So African Americans still do have a higher percentage of dying from lung cancers. The bad news is that, once again, cancer mortality is indeed disproportionate in African Americans. But no one really knows the answer to why this occurs. We have some pretty good thoughts. In some situations, the cancers that African Americans get are simply more aggressive. In other situations, people have indeed not been afforded education which allows them to get screened appropriately for cancers to which they may be at a greater risk. Also, there are situations where people have not taken advantage of the opportunity for screening, or more importantly, have not been allowed to have access to proper care. So all of these are perhaps contributing factors. Certainly, poor socioeconomic status is an issue with regard to obtaining quality care in our country today. Here in Columbus and at the James, we are fortunate to have the Diversity Enhancement Program, which allows us to have access to experts to help us to deal with, in terms of research and practical guidelines for trying to help to diminish the cancer disparity. Please contact us at 293-7020 or contact us online at cancer.osu.edu for further information.
The following medical minutes are brought to you by Ohio State's Comprehensive Cancer Center, Arthur G. James Cancer Hospital, and Shalab Research Institute, where every discovery they make and every patient they care for moves them to fulfilling their vision of creating a cancer-free world. For more information about the latest in preventing, detecting, and treating cancer, visit the James online at cancer.osu.edu or call the James line at 614-293-5066.